Hello traders, Brian DeMoe with DayTradingFutures.net doing the daily technical analysis and possible swing setup for the British pound instrument. Now this also applies for the Forex because the prices of the futures and the Forex match exactly. Looking at this 4-hour live chart, we have my various trend lines, all ascending trend lines. In the bottom, your mid channel, and then your top ascending trend line in blue. Now, why I'm doing the video on this guy is because I do believe that this is a good opportunity to take a long position. We have, let me zoom in here. We have, what appears to be a downtrend, and while that is true, stochastics on the 1 hour is showing us pretty close to an indication that it may roll over some more. So I do want to shed a warning that if we continue past this bottom trend line, this red trend line here, that I would probably avoid taking this. It's possible too that we bounce down here off of this line of support at 1632 and then do a correction back up. So at this moment I would hold off just to see how the next candle, at least on the hourly. If not, to be safe, I'd look at the 4-hour candle to, because right now this is a bearish indication. Obviously we need to see a green channel start to, or a green candle, excuse me, start to appear here and stay above this red trend line. So if we do, this would be a great opportunity to go long. My first target would be this line of resistance, and my second target would be probably up here around the top of this previous rally that we had, right around 16497. So let me draw this out for you. What we're looking for, if it holds this red trend line, we're looking for bounce, first target, and second target could be right around this area here. Now, if we break, and in the 4-hour chart, candle actually just developed on my chart here, and you can see we're just below that red trend line. If it looks like it's going to continue down, then I would wait until we get to this line of resistance, or excuse me, this line of support at 1632 here, and then see how the instrument is going to act once it gets to this point. If it looks like we're going to gain some strength to the upside, I would hold off until we get back above this red trend line. So to me, this area here, in between this line of support and this ascending trend line drawn in red, is a no trade zone. I'd wait until we get to this bottom level to play it safe and make sure that we don't break this line of support. So backing up, if we do continue down, I'm waiting until we get to this level here, seeing how the 4-hour and 1-hour charts develop. Also look at your daily candle as well. That's a pretty important candle to take a look at, just to kind of give you an indication of its future move. If you look here on the 4-hour, the stochastics are actually starting to coil up, and what that generally means is that we're going to have a break to the upside. So as this additional stochastic maybe starts to climb, that's fine. This is considered a coiled stochastics, which is a bullish indication, coiled down to the downside. And just like a wedge pattern or pennant, this generally dictates a break to the upside. So this is what we would want to see on the 4-hour, giving us indication that we would want to go ahead and take the long position. Beyond that, in the news for Friday, we do have several pieces of data being released. The two most significant are the retail sales, and then that's at 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then also at 3:30 is the retail sales excluding fuel. Both of those previous and expectations on both of those data releases are hawkish. We have 2.0 as the previous, with an expected 2.6% increase on the retail sales, and then the excluding fuel retail sales, we have a 2.3% previous with a 3.2% expectation, or expected 3.2%. So hawkish on the expectations. keep an eye on those as well in case the setups, those are going to help dictate the direction of the pound. So keep an eye on that. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at DayTradingFutures.net. Thanks. Have a great day.